What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game Silent Hill 2 on your PC. So if you buy games at Steam, it can get really expensive, especially the latest ones. Plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses, and nobody wants that. But don't worry, I will show you how to download this game without overspending and keeping your PC safe. So before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video, and go to your Google search bar, and now we need to locate this game first on Steam before we can proceed to another website. So go to the Steam website, search up the game Silent Hill 2 and you will find this game. Now select it and scroll a little bit down, and then you will find out that this game is quite expensive on Steam, €69.99, but don't worry, we got a workaround. So what you need to do is open the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. You will be redirected to this web page. Now search up the same game, Silent Hill 2, and after that select games on the left side and then sort by price lowest first. Once you have done that, you need to search for a version which can be activated on PC and of course in your country. So this text needs to be marked green. Now select the PC version. After that you will open this page and you will find out that this game is just €38.57 instead of €69.99. So this will save you a lot of money while downloading games online. Now you can purchase this game through this website, and after that you will receive an email confirmation with a activation key for Steam, so you can download and install this game through the Steam application. So it is completely legit without any risk, and it works 100%. Now after you've purchased it and downloaded it, you are able to play this game, but much cheaper. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!